Hello and good day, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is beautiful, finished in Hugger Orange with a black vinyl top. This car is absolutely stunning. You look at this car and it's a real showstopper. This thing is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That beautiful Hugger Orange paint with that black vinyl top. And you know what makes this car even better? It has the black and white houndstooth interior in it. So you get the best of both worlds. You get the Hugger Orange car with the black vinyl top with that houndstooth interior. Just gives this car just a gorgeous look. Now this car has a small block 350 engine underneath the hood, mild cam, mild build engine. And it does have a 700 R4 automatic transmission in this car. So you can go down the road, you can cruise at interstate speeds and not be turning 4,000 RPMs. So that's a really good thing. The dome light works on this car. Doesn't have sun visors on it, I'm not sure why. The dome light on the back of the console works, the dome light down there works, the dome light down here works. Beautiful car. The seats have all been redone. The carpeting's new. Headliner's new. And maybe that's why they didn't put the sun visors back on. But anyway, I look up and I was just as surprised as you were. Anyway, gorgeous car. The car came out of the South. It is super, super clean underneath. Door jambs are nice. No, new door panels. The whole interior kit is new on this car. Like I say, 700 R4. It has a shift work shifter in it. So therefore you got first, second, third, and overdrive on your shifter. You're not guessing like a lot of people build these cars with an overdrive tranny and then you're just kind of guessing what gear you're in. That's not what you do on this car. There we go. That window seal's pretty tight. The paint and body on this car are absolutely splendid. Very few imperfections in the paint on this car. I will point out a couple things if I see them. I just seen something in the right angle here, maybe. I don't know. It looks pretty damn good. Beautiful car. They really done a nice job restoring this car. This car is on my website already. The video, I will be adding this video here. $59,900 is what I priced this car at. And I think that's a great deal for the car. Power steering, power brakes. It's got disc brakes up front. It has vintage heat air conditioning. Underneath the hood looks spectacular on the car. Open it up here for you. Cowl induction hood, as you can see. There you go. Really, really pretty car. Nicely detailed engine compartment, looks great. Aluminum radiator, headers on it. You can look down the bottom of the doors, bottom of the quarter panels. No cracks, no blisters, no bubbles that I see anywhere. All the glass in the car is in good shape. Your seals here in good shape. Your door seals are all brand new. Seats look fantastic. See, new door panels. There's the bottom of your doors. I think I'm gonna have to put a new battery in this car. Battery's getting a little weak in it. Wipers work, heater works, air works. The horn does not work. I go through all this stuff with you, and AM radio lights up. You can hear something coming out of the speakers, but it does not have an FM. lighter works. Turn signal, turn signal. Bright headlight indicator. Tail light, license plate lights. Inside the trunk, super nice. Spackle painted inside the trunk. Jams are all nice, just like the rest of the car. I think this thing's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous for $59,900. Headlights work, marker lights work. www.KinionAuto.com, KINION auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every single day. So if you got something to sell, give us a call. You can see both tail lights work, both turn signals work, front and back. Give us a call, 563-452-2450. Really appreciate everybody watching all of our videos. We are your honest classic car dealership. We're not going to rip you off. We're not going to overcharge you for cars. We're going to show you exactly what these cars are. We're going to show you exactly what anything that's wrong, we will point it out to you if we see it. If you really get down the right light, you can see a couple little, just maybe little imperfections here. I can't even hardly bring them out to you. I mean, this thing is really, really nice. You can see, like right there, you can see just a little bit of something there. I'm being really, really nitpicky on this thing. The car's gorgeous, gorgeous car. Super solid underneath. Car looks great. If you're looking for a first-gen Camaro, don't look any further. This is it. This is the one you want. The color doesn't get any better. It's got the right specs. It's got steering, brakes, and air. Give me a call today. I really appreciate everybody watching. Have a great day. Until next time, this has been Adam at Kenyon Classic Cars.